slopes you see behind me, they are present everywhere around the school. As you can see, it's there also. It's there, and it's present everywhere around every block. And the favorite thing which we used to do when our lunch break was to finish our food very fast. This was when we were in class second or first, I don't know, till class third, I guess. So we used to finish our lunch really quick, and then we will just roll down from the top to the bottom. Should I do it? I so want to, but it's too wet. I think I will do it. I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but I will do it anyway. Oh. Well, it was definitely not a good idea. I am all wet, but yeah, it was worth it. So to all my teachers who in focus, no, yeah, I don't know. So to all my teachers who thought why I was not scoring well, because this is what we were doing. What is up, you lovely people out there? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are safe, and happy Independence Day to everyone who is watching the channel. Jai Hind, I guess. Sorry, the left hand. Jai Hind, I guess. So for the people who might have guessed where I am, you know where I am. And for the people who don't know, let me just show you. I am at my school, DPS Indore. This is where I spent 12 years of my life, and let me show you how beautiful my school is. Commencing the B-roll, DPS B-roll right now. Hi guys, so I am having major nostalgia right now. I am so happy right now. I am literally out of words. I am so overwhelmed right now. So this is the place where I spent, not this place exactly, but this is the space where I spent 12 years of my life. In the class you see behind me, this class, which is, don't know what is it, class 9th H right now. This was my first class. It was first day at that time, and so this is the place where it all started. My journey in DPS for 12 years, and I am back here after, I guess, 4 years after I passed out. I am a 2015 pass out. This is the place where we used to hang out in between classes. Well, actually I did not know the term hang out at that time. I was in class 1. So yeah, this is the corridor. So many memories here, so many new friendships, so many mischiefs, so many projects, so many scoldings. Actually, I was a good student. I was not scolded that much. That was my first class, and then we moved in to this class. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this class. This was second D. Yeah, I was in second D. This is my second class. So the reason I'm here is because I was called to shoot the annual day function, the Independence Day function of the school. I was called by Jyoti ma'am, and I was more than happy to do it because 12 years, guys, it's a long time. I have lived a majority part of my life in this place. So yeah, ma'am asked me, and I was like, obviously I would do it. And that was the first time in a long time I did not have any problem in waking up at 6 a.m. and reaching here at 7. It was a good experience. As you can see, I don't know what to say. I'm so happy right now. This is the place, guys. This is my school. This is my school. So happy. If I had to tell you a little bit, I was not a very studious kid, but I was kind of teacher's pet. My teachers really liked me and thought I was very, sanskari and sudhra hua. But yeah, people who know the reality know it. And so one funny story is whenever my parents came to the parents teachers meeting, my parents were trying to dig in and always were trying to, ask my teachers that if I was talkative or if I was, the mischievous kid in the class. But to their surprise, every teacher just supported me. They always praised me of how I was in the class. And my parents were surprised and they would say कि घर में तो ये ऐसा नहीं करता, ये लगता है ये शराफत स्कूल में ही छोड़ के आता है. So I had a good time in school because of my sharafat, or the sharafat mode which I used to switch on when I came to school. This right behind me is the physics lab. You can see it's empty. I was not a science kid, I was a commerce kid, so I left this lab in class 10th. The last time I visited was class 10th practicals, and I am so happy because that practical was a nightmare for me. Not just this, all the three practicals, physics, chemistry, bio, they were a nightmare, and that was the time I realized that no, science तो नहीं हो पाएगा. This is an interesting space right behind me. This is where our class photographs used to happen, and this is the place where the monitor used to stand, and he would just check if all our belts and all our, everything you need in a uniform is perfect or not. And if it was not perfect, you were not allowed in the class photograph. So an hour or a period before class photograph was just people running around the corridor visiting different classes and asking if someone has a blazer or a tie or that clean pair of shoes. So that all used to happen, and this was the place where the class photograph took place usually. So in my 10 years, this was the place where the class photograph was taken. It was a fun time here, and that space you see up there, that was the last class which I was in DPS. We will be going there, don't worry. I will tell you about it when we are there. So right now we are moving towards the class where I spent the last year of my school, which was 12th E, which I showed you from down. This is a room which had a lot of memories. I guess this was the most fun I had. In fact, for the 12 years I have spent in school. Let me show you the class. This is 12th E. It is still 12th E if you can see. Still 12th E. So it has been more than 6 years. This has been the same class, obviously because legends don't change their rooms and offices. Just kidding. So that was the class where I spent my last year. It was a very happening year because everyone was scared, because many were uncertain what they had to do, me included. And it was a very scary time, but at the same time it was very fun. It was a lot of fun. You had your friends, you had your teachers. Your teachers were very supportive. My teachers treated everyone equally and they were very supportive. Whatever you want to do. So I was into cricket. I represented my school for I guess 10 years. And my teachers were like, they encouraged me to go because it was not always studies, that why is your work not complete. Obviously they scolded, but they were not like, no, you won't be able to go, there's nothing in sports. Whenever I asked them for help, they were always available for me. And not just my teachers, my friends were also there. And so yeah, it was a fun time. And so during the 12th and the 11th class, our school started extra tuition classes. I am revealing this, and I am sorry, my friends, whoever was in that crime with me. I am spilling my beans or spilling our secrets here. I don't know if you can see. You see that window across the room. So, the concept of extra classes was because we needed to improve our results in the 12th board exam. The school started a set of extra classes after the school hours. So, I guess it was a 2 hour extra class or a 1.5. I am not really sure. I never attended it. So, the teacher was walking down this corridor, and we all just jumped out of that window and we just ran home. We literally ran our lives out because the buses were about to leave in, I guess, 10 or 5 minutes. I'm not sure. We just ran with all our strength and we reached the buses. So that's how we used to escape our extra classes. This is 12th C. Was 12th C. It was a very special class. People who know why it was special. And this was 12th A. We did not like 12th A. They had all the toppers. Although one of my very good friends, Dev, was also in there, Dev Arjun. But yeah, it was a very studious class. They made us look bad. So no, I did not like that class. Yeah man, this was the last year of my college, last year of my school. This was the corridor where it all happened. So this is the second most special place in the school. This exact place where I'm standing right now. Who understood the reference? I know you did. But yeah, this was by the way, this was my 10th class. That was my class. 10th E. Oh, I'm sorry. That was my class. 10th E, 10th F. And 10th was also a very special class because you had friends who were splitting because of the different streams you had to choose. So that was a very, not heartbreaking, but we always used to meet in the lunch break. We used to hang out. But that mischief and all that fun you had in class, that was gone because of the splitting of sections. So yeah, that was a little sad. But I guess nothing was sad in school. Everything was, good at that time. At that time it felt sad because there were many things that used to happen which you did not like. One of them was classes. I'm just kidding. So yeah, now when you look back, or now when I look back, the school time was actually one of the best time you ever had. At least I can say for myself, that was the best time that I had. I had a lot of fun in school. Yeah. This is where our assemblies used to happen, and this is where we used to stand. So that's the place where you would stand if you are in till class 9. That's the place. And from 10th, 11th and 12th you used to stand in these corridors. So that was the place where we stood. More than the assembly, the important thing about this place was this badminton court. That was a good place because every morning before the classes, our bus reached pretty early because I used to live close by, and we had a good half an hour badminton session in this place. And that time also it was jam packed. We had to actually wait for our chances. The place you see behind that wall was our swimming pool. We had a lot of fun there, and we also got a lot of scolding there because post our cricket practice we would just, let me just focus, then we'll talk. Yeah, so post our cricket practice you'll all just go and jump into the pools, and then our swimming coach used to scold us because it made the water all muddy and murky, which is not good as it can cause a lot of diseases and all that. But it was all worth the scolding which we got, and that was an everyday routine. We had a practice almost every day, and then we would just go and jump in the pool, and then sir would just bash us, not physically but verbally. But yeah, it was all worth it. Let's move to a little more creative side of things. Now we are moving into the creative block, as you can see from the borders just outside the block. Let's go a little creative now. By the way, this was my house. You can see Prithvi house. That was my house. I was also the head, no, not the head, but the house captain of the house, and we won the march past that year. Just by the way, this was supposed to be the art room. Now it has been changed to the computer lab. This was the art room when we were young, when we were small. Oh, one interesting thing. This is the personality development lab. So we had a separate subject for personality development where we were taught all the, culinary skills and all the mannerisms for basically to develop your personality. All we had the things which would help us enhance our personality. That happened in this room, personality development room. Dolly ma'am was our teacher. Yeah, we got a lot of tasty food here. This is a counselor's room. So this place has a very interesting story. This is class 6, 4th C right now. When I was here, it was class 5th, I guess. Yeah, it was class 5th D, if I'm not wrong. This is the place where I was punished the first time, and I was scolded a lot by our teacher because I did not complete my work. I was standing here for whole 2 periods because it was a block period. I won't name the teacher. She is one of my favorite teachers, but she was the teacher whom I was really scared of. That place. This is the very exact spot where I stood for 2 periods, which was roughly 80 minutes, hour and 2 hours almost. No, 80 minutes, 1 hour 20 minutes. Clearly you can see why I did not take maths in class 11th and 12th. This exact place, 2 periods. This is the dance room. As you can see, as you guys know how my dancing skills are, this is a place where I did not spend much of my time. Oh, I missed an important room. I'm sorry. The music room. This is the music room. I was into the school choir, and as we are talking about music, I'm sorry Rohini ma'am, I did not come post 9th class. I left the school choir because of the increased, not pressure, I would say, the increased time of engagement I had to give for cricket and studies. So I could not spend a lot of time post class 9th here. So for that I'm sorry Rohini ma'am. There are some classes in this blog also. During the annual functions, we used to sit in these classes till we waited for our performances. These were the green rooms during the annual functions. So that was the time when we could bring our cell phones here, and that used to be the most exciting time of the year because you can actually bring your cell phones. I did not have a cell phone till class 6th, I guess. But yeah, post class 6 it was really exciting because you can bring your cell phones to the school, and that too with the permission of the school. So yeah, these small instances made us happy at that time, and now when we think about it, we feel so silly. These were so small things, but it gave us that immense amount of happiness. Green rooms. Let's move out now. So let me take you to another very interesting place. Well, actually I owe my camera career. So this is where the camera hobby started. This, which is 2nd G right now, so was the computer lab at that time when we were the senior computer lab, if you would. We were in class 12. Oh no, we were in class 11. And so this is the place where we went for a photography competition. There were many competitions. There was coding, there was animation, but photography was also one of the competitions for which we went to DPS Bhopal. And so it was the first photography competition which I took part in, and I used this very camera, and we won the competition. We secured first prize, as the overall, we were declared the overall winner of the competition, and also for photography, me, Arjun and Shreya went, Shreya Khare. So yeah, this is I guess where I can say it all started. That Keeda of photography hit me, and I was like, oh, this is an interesting thing. This is something which I can do and I can pursue in future. So yeah, I owe this very place to all my, photography, starting my photography, if you would. So right now we are walking towards a space which played a major role in shaping my life, how it is right now. By the way, that's the main campus. I was telling you, it's not a school, it's a resort. We studied in a resort for 12 years. Yeah, that's the main building. And right now the place which we are entering is a very important part of my school life and my life as a whole also. The cricket field. This is the place where I spent most of my time in school, because as I told you, I represented my school in the cricket team. I was the youngest player to be selected to the team at the time when the school started. I was in class 2nd and I was a part of the team. So this is where we played. Kapil sir, Amit sir, Umesh sir, Sumit sir, everyone. I'm really thankful to everyone who just supported me all the way and who helped me grow in my sport and as a person also. Sports has helped me a lot in my life and it keeps on helping me. Sports teaches you a lot of things. So yeah, this is the place. My happy place number XYZ on the campus. I'm walking the field after, 5 years. This field. All the memories coming rushing back. I just love my school, man. I don't know, it might feel like an overdo, but I just love my school. I just love it so much. Also, one more thing to prove how cool my school is. We have a castle. That's where the junior classes take place. So, but one thing, we were not allowed to go in there when we were in school. It was being built at that time. It was actually functional when we just passed out, but we were never allowed to go, and today also my luck is not that good because it's closed. But yeah, we have a castle. The school is too cool, man. So yeah guys, I guess that would be it for this video. I think I took many people down the memory lane, down that good nostalgia. I hope you guys remembered a lot of stories and a lot of things and a lot of moments which you lived in this place. I am personally very overwhelmed right now because of two major reasons. The first one is my school called me back after 5 years to shoot one of the most important functions that happens every year, the Independence Day celebration. It's a big thing throughout the country. And the second thing I'm happy is because I am in this place. I am here after 4 or 5 years if I'm not wrong. And this was like the best 12 years of my life. So many memories, so many stories, so many good and bad moments which I have lived in these corridors. So yeah, that's a very special feeling I'm having right now. I feel so happy. Do let me know in the comments if you remembered something or some stories or some moments which you lived here. And I guess that would be it for this video. It's a good place to end the vlog, physically and also emotionally. I am very happy, so I think I would end the vlog here. If you like the video, do like and share it. Share it with your fellow Dipsites who studied from DPS Indore or any DPS for that matter. Let me know how they feel about this. And also don't forget to subscribe as it helps me grow. You guys have been very supportive, and please do continue the support which you have been giving for these vlogs. I will be coming out with some good content in the future. And yeah, I guess that would be it. I'm really happy, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.